Well, I don't know King Lazarus, and we are representing to the fullest Jamaica to Trinidad, Caribbean and the world. We don't want no more bloodshed, no innocent dead. A message we are send to all the kill them. No more bloodshed, no innocent dead. A message we are send. It's a state of emergency. The people need help urgently. Watch yourself when you're walking on the street. Broad daylight and gunshot a beat. It's sleeping and moaning and gnashing of teeth. It's bloodshed, warring on the streets. Eradicate poverty and crime would cease. Somebody tag rowdy. Election time when you come in on the streets. Full of the people with them hopes and dreams. Unfulfilled promises. Tired to hear the people, but we don't want no more bloodshed. No innocent dead. A message we are sent to all the kingdom. No more bloodshed. No innocent dead. A message we are sent. We don't want no more bloodshed. No innocent dead. A message we are sent to all the kingdom. No more bloodshed. No innocent dead. A message we are sent. It's a state of emergency. The people need help urgently. Watch yourself when you're walking on the street. Broad daylight and gunshot a beat. It's a state of emergency. The people need help urgently. Watch yourself when you're walking on the street. Broad daylight. Alright, make we start count from 1 to 10. Once upon a time when everyone a friend. Every ghetto youth and every garrison could have shot anywhere and not get no problems. Now them old time days gone again. Nowadays is gang war again.